and welcome to Crypto CJ's Trade of the Day. Today, I'm bringing back a strategy I haven't used in several months because right now we appear to be in a bull market. So let's talk about the very simple trading range and candlestick evaluation strategy. But we're going to get started with iCoinPro's Buddy Coin Crawler. So let's go to the iCoinPro site. And this morning, I was looking at the Buddy Coin Crawler, and I sorted it by low to SMA. You may recall from prior videos that this value here is I'm looking for 4% or better. That's the distance from the average 24-hour low in the coin to the SMA line. So I work my way down here to this one, Alpha Finance Lab, Alpha-USDT. I'm not familiar with this coin, so I click on the link and I go to the Trading View page, but I've already marked up a Trading View chart, so let's check it out. Okay, it was around 7:30, 8 o'clock this morning when I was looking at this. I had made a note to myself over the weekend to just start employing the strategy because it looked like Bitcoin was going to hold at 15,000, that we're in a bull market. And I've used this particular strategy with some success in February and March before COVID hit, and we were in a nice trending up market then. And then when we were in recovery after COVID in April, May, June, I use it off and on. So what I want to do is identify a trading range for a coin, a recent trading range. So I just go back 24 hours. So he was here around 8:30. I, make my chart small enough so that I can see the past 24 hours. I put a ray here on the low that was 10 o'clock in the morning yesterday. I put another ray here on the high, which was 6:40 p.m. yesterday. Then I add these numbers, 57.99 plus 46.26. The numbers here in pink. And this is the middle of value between the two. And that's in light blue. It's 52.15. So generally speaking in the strategy, if the coin is currently below the middle, the closer it gets to the middle, the more likely it is to encounter resistance, and that tends to, and it's a riskier trade. If the coin is on top of the middle, the same applies to getting towards the top. I dislike trades that are pushing all-time highs. I want to see a history when I trade a coin. So I like dip trades and I like retraces. I'm just more comfortable with those. If the coin's been there already, price has memory. I've heard Bryce and Crypt Nation say that, and it seems to be true. So I like to see coins go back to where they've been recently. So I go ahead and I see what looks like to be a 1, 2, 3 dip, and I go ahead and buy this coin at 45.10 at 8:30. I'm going to make this bigger. And you can see here it's a 1, 2, 3. I buy it. I have three candles trending up here, and then it takes another dip, and I'm concerned about this. But one thing about this strategy, it's so simple that it really only works 60 to 70% of the time. You have to be ready to ladder buy on this. So I had an alert set down here around 4,000 or 4 cents actually, but it makes a recovery and starts to work its way up. And so there's no need to ladder buy. And I'm actually having lunch with a friend when it takes me out at 46.90 for a 3.892% profit. And regarding an exit point, I actually changed it once. I had it towards the top here at first, and I canceled that sell order after I saw this dip, and I thought, let's be a little bit more reasonable. Let's shoot for around 3 to 4%. So I was looking at this line to where it had been before. I think it can push by or push past a little bit the 24-hour low. I see some resistance in this range here. Actually, right around here. So I'm looking at these prior candles to determine where I think it might where it might go. And so I choose the 46.90 exit point, and it goes there. Goes up a little bit higher actually to nearly 5 cents, and then it drops again, and it's currently in this this value here. So anyway, good day trade. It took 4 hours or so from 8:30 this morning to 1 p.m. And we like a day trade like this, right around 4% for about 4 hours. That's good stuff. So that's all I have regarding the very simplistic trading range strategy. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at cryptocj13@gmail.com. Please stay tuned for some additional messages, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.